Hi friends, welcome to SPJK Technosoft YouTube channel. In this video you are going to see what are the topics covered in CBSE Computer Science subject in 10+2 class. Review of Python and OOPS concepts explained, Advanced Programming with Python, DBMS and SQL. Introduction to Boolean Algebra, Communication Technologies. Do subscribe to our channel to get latest trending IT, pharma and academics related free videos and webinars. For more information about this course please email us at info@spjktechnosoft.com. Thank you for your time.
Welcome to SPJK Technosoft. Today we are going to discuss about CBSE Class 12th Computer Science course syllabus. The contents of the course syllabus are Review of Python and OOPS concepts explained, Advanced Programming with Python, DBMS and SQL, Introduction to Boolean Algebra, and Communication Technologies. In Review of Python and OOPS concepts explained, we are going to learn Review of Python, Concepts of Object-Oriented Programming, Classes in Python, and Inheritance. Coming to Advanced Programming with Python, we are going to see Linear List Manipulation, Stacks and queues in list, data file handling, and exception handling and generate functions. Coming to database management system and SQL, we are going to see database concepts and SQL, structured query language in detail. Further, in Introduction to Boolean Algebra, we are going to learn Boolean Algebra, Boolean functions and reduced forms, and application of Boolean logic. Finally, in Communication Technologies, we are going to learn about Network Concepts Part 1, Network Concepts Part 2, Networking Protocols, Mobile Telecommunication Technologies, Network Security, and Internet Services. Thank you.
Thank you viewers for your time. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get latest trending technology and academic related videos. For any further queries please reach us at info@spjktechnosoft.com. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you and goodbye.